Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I am real excited to show my first completion for the month of October. And the wonderful canvas I got to finish is this really beautiful dragon with a pumpkin. This is my wonderful canvas I've been working on since the end of September, and I really wanted to complete it in October, and I really wanted to be my first. This wonderful canvas is called Jack-O-Lantern Time by Randall Spangler, and it's a 16 by 16 inch or 41 by 41 centimeters. And I just love this canvas. And I apologize now, I'm going to say that over and over. This was a round shaped diamond canvas, and I didn't do any enhancements of it. I just really loved all of the special diamonds already included. For this canvas, it was only 3 ABs, which I had no issue with. They were perfectly placed in areas they were supposed to be, and it came out perfect. I love how it came out. Well, kind of perfect. Maybe I should set that before I said perfect. Well, it's not really an issue. When I was painting it, I was so happy just to keep on. I super focused on this painting, and I really just wanted to complete it. Not just to have it as my first canvas of October, but this is actually my third for the Drills and Chills event. That's right now, it's still going through. It will end by the end of October, I believe. And I was just so excited that, oh my goodness, I did 3 canvases for an event. Never done that before. But before I go more into details about the canvas, let me get the statistics, because I think that's what we all want to know. So this beautiful canvas is my 34th premium canvas completion for my diamond painting lifetime. It's my 29th for the year of 2025. Wow, that super surprised me. And this canvas, total number of diamonds ever placed is 21,136. Adding it to my previous amount, which is 393,700. Ooh, goodness, 750. Add this wonderful canvas, my new total of total diamonds placed is 414,896. Wow, I cannot believe I've placed that many. And I do have a goal of, by the end of 2025, I want to be able to hit 500,000 diamonds that have been placed. Because even that is surprising to me. Oh my goodness, 414. I wasn't expecting that. This wonderful canvas, I started it September 27th of this year and completed it October 11th, 2025. I also did time this canvas. The total number of time it took me to complete is 27 hours and 8 minutes. 3 hours over than what I wanted. I wanted to see if I could complete this canvas in under either 24 hours or less. I was kind of rushing it just so I can see if I can hit it. Nah, it just took me too long. Mostly because of timing, and I don't have as much time I used to have for diamond painting. So I had a feeling, yeah, it's gonna take me a bit. But I do love the result. So in 27 hours, for myself, I think that's impressive, because I never would have thought that a year ago. It's my second year all. Don't forget that. So this wonderful canvas had 42 colors, and I had used my Art Dot 45 diamond storage containers. And yeah, I really like it. It was more than enough space for the diamonds. I used the wonderful treasure quest card as an indicator, because I do have several of these boxes kitted up with other paintings, so I use it so I know which painting it is. Time to put you away, friend. And there wasn't a lot of trash in this canvas, and I can show that. I always put them in a little tube when I'm painting. I'll pour it on a tray, or I'm sorry, in a tray, so you can see it. It really wasn't that much, which is surprising, because this canvas had a lot of the beautiful E310, and I was kind of expecting a lot of trash. There wasn't. As you can see, a lot of it was either colors that weren't in the correct color too, or yeah. they were in the original bags, so they were kind of stragglers. They were just going in colors they don't need to. The ones that kept surprising me, and I spotted it right now, I'm gonna see if I can find it again. Ooh, I don't know where it went. Or maybe, no, it was this painting. There was a square painting. I'm sorry, square diamond, as you can see. Yeah, that surprised me. I thought, whoa, where did the square come from? I love when that happens because I don't expect it because since it's a round shaped diamond. But every now and then there's a couple of rebels that try to go in with the rounds. As you can see, just little extra bits. A couple of broken diamonds. The square diamond. A couple of extra little, well, it looks like little leftover dots when they're putting all of the diamonds into the little sealable bags. Oh, apologies. I forgot what the term is. The sealed bags. There you go. Sorry about that. And yeah, that's pretty, I like it. I like that this wonderful canvas didn't have a lot of trash. I put it aside real quick. And I had more than enough diamonds left over. Which, I won't lie, there was one color that was making me nervous. I'm trying to see if I can spot it. It was, every time I say this, I always forget which color exactly. I believe it was it was this one. It was 3855. As you can see, there's so little in the tube. But this wonderful color was an enhancement color, mostly in the pumpkin's eyes and also a little bit here on the bridge of the dragon's nose. So when I was painting, I kept getting nervous. Ooh, I'm going to run out. I haven't, oh goodness, I'm going to jinx myself. I haven't had any diamonds run out of a diamondart canvas. So I was nervous and I kind of wasn't. Yeah, that makes sense. And yeah, but I had more than enough and perfectly I was able to complete the canvas. The wonderful ABs that were in this canvas. Oh, it's not the, oh. So the E colors. So I still think they glow in the dark, but I've been told that if you use a UV light, it actually does do the little glow in the dark kind of effect. I haven't tested it because I don't own a UV light, but I'm thinking of buying one because I want to see if it really does work. And the two wonderful colors were E310, which you can see is more than enough, and E742, which is really beautiful yellow. This is the color that was for the moon. So I really like that. I thought that was so pretty. And I love that there was a lot left over. Then the special diamonds were all ABs. So it was 129, this beautiful banana cream color, which I'm a big fan of. 132, a nice little orange. And finally our lovely 141, which is our really pretty white. Ooh, I really love the ABs. But yeah, I had no issues with the diamonds. They're Diamondart Club. I never have issues. Even with square diamonds as well. No issues with their diamonds. I'm a big fan of them. So let me put this aside real quick. I will do a video another time to dekit this because I really want to save the colors. But not today. So I don't want to call it an issue, but I just thought it looks a little funny to me. Her nose. So as you can see, the wonderful dragon has these beautiful dark green emerald colors. Just really, really pretty. And then it switches to this really light tone. I get the effect because the moon is shining on her. So I get why it's a little lighter. It's also on the pumpkin too. At the top of the pumpkin has a couple of little lighter colors. I believe it's to give, you know, the moonlight effect. But to me, it looks a little funny. It's still a beautiful canvas. And I was not going to make any changes because I'm still not comfortable doing that. And I'm not an artist, so I know if I try to make a change, I'm going to end up putting an AB or something. So that's the only thing that kind of threw me off a bit, because it's a lot lighter. It's a lighter green here, and then it starts going into a nice yellow color that it kind of threw me off a bit. On camera, it looks gorgeous. In person as well, until you get real close and you spot, ooh, that is a drastic change there, but I really like it. Like I said, I wasn't planning to make any changes or anything, so I was okay with it. That's the only thing I saw that was a little funny, but it's still a beautiful canvas. And I'm still going to put it on my wall. It's not the end of October yet, so I need a Halloween canvas on my wall. And yeah, I love the witch hat. I love the purple color, and I love the little effect that it gives, that you see it's a folded little hat. I'm a big fan of that. I love the hat. That's what really won me over. And yeah, I only have this completion today. I'm working on one of my larger canvases to hopefully see if I can do it as a second completion for October. Originally I had a smaller one, but I located one of my whips that I kind of didn't know where the painting was, so I really want to work on it. It's my underwater train. It's a Mrs. Butterdee canvas. I want to really work on it and see if I can finish it by the end of the month. I know it's not Halloween, or fallish, but it's such a pretty canvas, and I'm already at the halfway point, so I'm going to see if I can finish it. And it's a round, so I'm a lot faster on round, so stay tuned for that. I really hope I can finish it. It's so cute. And all the information of this beautiful canvas I'll put in the description below. If maybe a nice little dragon with a pumpkin is your style too. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, and officially this is my first Spangler. I'm still working on afternoon tea, and I have so many other Spanglers that I still haven't either shown to y'all or try to work on them. So I'm really excited to finish afternoon tea, but that's the one I want to finish at the end of the year, so stay tuned for that one. But I'm so happy I finished my first Spangler, and it is just so cute. Oh, I really like this. Oh, I'm going to keep saying that. Apologies for that. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. Emoji time. Well, yeah, this is the last time I'm going to ask for, well, okay, maybe not the last time. Maybe for a while. I'll ask for a pumpkin emoji again. I know I keep asking for it, but it's so cute. I mean, look at the pumpkin. It's so cute. And the pumpkin emojis are just as cute, so even could put them in the comments below. I really appreciate it. Really, it kind of lets me know that y'all enjoyed this wonderful video. Thank you so much for that. And just to give me a heads up that y'all were kind enough to watch it to the end. And because the pumpkin emojis are so cute. I'm going to say that every time, but it's true. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.